Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Today I want to show you a pretty old trick that not many people know about, and that is you can actually record your computer screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you see something really cool on your computer and you want to record it, but you don't have the latest recording program or you can't update Windows to the latest version, then what you would do is you simply go to PowerPoint and you go to Insert and you click on Screen Recording. After you click that, it'll actually let you select an area on the screen. Select an area on the screen, however big you want it, and then you can simply click Record. And you can also choose whether you want to record the audio or you just want to record. Okay, if you click audio and record, it'll actually record sound as well. But let's say I get rid of audio and I just click record. Okay, and it says Windows Shift Q to stop recording, but I'm going to move my mouse a bit and then press Windows Shift Q. It stops recording, and you can see that it's recorded the screen in that section that I highlighted. So I can press, I can resize that. I can press play and it'll record the screen with the mouse movement that I had. Okay, so this is the oldest way to record your screen within Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.